Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you now how to order from both apps in China without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and start with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead now and open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to source for products from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for products from different supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and type the name of the product you are looking for in the search engine. You're going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result of that particular product. Once you are able to see the product you are looking for, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart. I've already had the product to cart right here in Pinduoduo. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, go to my profile. From my profile right here, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to fill my cart. So here we go, we have the product right here. So this is the one I'm going to buy right here on Pinduoduo. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to select this particular product right here. And next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you have to make sure you scroll down. There are so many means of payment on Pinduoduo right here, such as WeChat Pay, Pay for Me, bank card, Alipay, and look for a friend to pay for you. So in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payments. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on done. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. I have to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so, we have it right here. Lastly, for Pinduoduo, I'm going to exit from here now. I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp. So here we go. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on Pinduoduo. So this is the contact right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. Then I click on attach, gallery, select proof of payment and say order made. It's that simple. Let's go ahead and see how we can place order on Pinduoduo. So I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll go ahead and proceed to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. I've opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. The same way you source for product on Pinduoduo is the same way you're going to source for product on 1688. After you have successfully sourced for product on 1688, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your cart. So I have all the products already in my cart right here. You can see them all right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select them one after the other. Or better still, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to select all at once, because I'm paying for all these particular products right here. Just like so, you can see everything right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and scroll down all the way down and make sure I click on here to choose means of payment. So I'm going to click on here now. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and choose Alipay as a means of payment right here. I'm going to select my Alipay. Having selected Alipay, I'll go ahead and click on here to proceed with payments. Then allow the Alipay to connect. So just like so, I'm paying the sum of 46.24 yen. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password. Our payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment right here. I have to make sure I go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. By the time I refresh my cart, you find out that everything here is empty. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for, everything is going to be fine right here. So let's check it out. Just like so, you have them all right here. Lastly, I'm going to access from my 1688 right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp, then send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for these goods right here on my WhatsApp right here. So here is the person contact. I'm going to go ahead and open up the contact right here. Then click on attach gallery proof of payment and say payment made, and hit on send. It's that simple. So you can see my conversation with this particular person right here. You can see other screenshot and the chat and the likes as far as this particular order is concerned. So you can see the product picture and some of the links about the product right here. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, Shenyun, 1688, Taoba, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.